They say failure reveals who people truly are. The old proverb suggests that when someone falls, the world quietly watches, waiting to see who will laugh, who will judge, and who will walk away. And often, that is exactly what happens. Because in many social circles, failure is treated like a stain. Something to whisper about. Something to analyze from a distance. People ask questions that sound curious but often carry the quiet weight of judgment. Why did they mess up? Why didn't they try harder? Why didn't they see it coming? But there is another kind of person. Someone who witnesses another person's failure and does not rush to judge. Not because they are naive. Not because they cannot see mistakes. But because somewhere along the way they learn something deeper about the fragile architecture of human lives. Why do some people respond to failure with criticism while others respond with quiet understanding? What shapes a mind that chooses compassion over judgment? And what hidden psychological experiences make someone pause instead of pointing fingers? In this reflection, something subtle will be explored: the psychology of people who do not judge others for failing. Let's begin. When someone fails, the moment rarely belongs only to them. It becomes visible. Public in small ways. A business collapses. A relationship ends. A dream quietly dissolves. And suddenly the outside world begins forming opinions. Society often reacts to failure with analysis. People search for explanations that make the situation easier to understand. If the failure can be reduced to a mistake or a character flaw, then the world feels safer. It creates a comforting illusion that disaster only happens to those who deserve it. This is why judgment appears so quickly when someone falls. It protects the observer from imagining that the same thing could happen to them. If someone failed because they were careless, then careful people are safe. If someone failed because they were foolish, then wise people will never face the same fate. Judgment builds emotional distance. It separates their story from mine. But some people do not react this way. When they hear about someone's failure, their mind does not immediately search for blame. Instead, it searches for context. They instinctively wonder about the parts of the story that are invisible. The pressures that were hidden. The exhaustion that no one saw. The risks that once looked reasonable but only seem foolish in hindsight. They understand something subtle about human lives. Every visible mistake sits on top of a long invisible history. A chain of circumstances. Decisions made with incomplete information. Moments of hope that later turn fragile. To someone who sees life this way, failure stops looking like a simple personal flaw. It begins to look more like weather. Something that moves through human lives in complicated patterns. Storms do not arrive because someone deserves them. Sometimes they simply form. And when a person falls during such storms, these observers do not ask why someone stumbled so quickly. They ask what winds were blowing around them at the time. Because to them, failure is not a spectacle. It is a moment of human vulnerability. And vulnerability does not invite judgment. It invites understanding. People who do not judge others for failing often carry a quiet history that shaped the way they see the world. Their compassion rarely appears from nowhere. It usually grows from lived experience. Somewhere along the way, many of them faced a moment when life refused to follow the path they had carefully imagined. Perhaps they tried something important and watched it collapse. Perhaps they trusted someone and were disappointed. Perhaps they worked hard only to discover that effort does not always guarantee success. In those moments, something subtle happens inside the mind. The world becomes more complicated. The neat explanations that once seemed comforting begin to dissolve. Life reveals how unpredictable it truly is. And once a person experiences that unpredictability firsthand, it becomes difficult to judge others so quickly. Because they know how easy it is for circumstances to shift. They know how fragile success can be. Sometimes compassion grows from being misunderstood. A person may remember what it felt like when others misread their intentions. When people assumed laziness instead of exhaustion. Carelessness instead of confusion. Weakness instead of quiet struggle. Those experiences leave an imprint. They teach the mind how painful judgment can be when it arrives without understanding. Over time, that memory changes the way a person looks at others. Instead of repeating the same harsh interpretations they once faced, they pause. They wonder. They allow space for hidden explanations. It becomes easier to imagine the unseen parts of someone else's life. The invisible pressures. The quiet fears. The complicated decisions that no outsider fully understands. Compassion in these moments is not idealism. It is awareness. It is the quiet recognition that every human life contains chapters no one else can read. And when someone carries that awareness, the instinct to judge begins to soften. Because they know something simple but profound. Behind every failure there is always a story deeper than the surface. Human minds are designed to make quick interpretations. When something happens, people naturally search for reasons. The brain prefers clear explanations because uncertainty feels uncomfortable. Psychologists describe a powerful mental shortcut called the fundamental attribution error. It describes the human tendency to explain other people's mistakes by focusing on their character rather than their circumstances. When someone else fails, observers often assume the cause is personal weakness, laziness, carelessness, poor judgment. But when people fail themselves, the explanation often looks different. Suddenly circumstances appear more important. Bad timing, unforeseen obstacles, unexpected stress. This difference reveals something fascinating about human psychology. The mind protects its own identity while simplifying the stories of others. But some people gradually become aware of this pattern. They notice how easily assumptions appear in their thoughts. They recognize how incomplete those assumptions often are. Instead of accepting the first explanation that comes to mind, they slow down their judgment. They begin asking different questions. What circumstances might exist beyond what is visible? What pressures could be shaping this situation? What would the story look like from inside that person's life instead of outside it? This pause creates a psychological shift. The brain stops treating failure as a simple moral verdict and begins treating it as a complex human event. The more someone practices this awareness, the more their perspective expands. They start to see how often people carry burdens that remain invisible to others. Financial stress, quiet anxiety, family responsibilities, health struggles, emotional exhaustion. These unseen forces shape decisions in ways outsiders rarely recognize. When someone understands this complexity, judgment becomes less satisfying. It feels incomplete. Because life rarely fits into simple explanations. And people who truly observe human behavior begin to realize something humbling. Every story looks clearer from the outside. But clarity does not always equal truth. Even people who try not to judge others still feel the first spark of judgment inside their mind. This reaction is natural. Human beings evolved to interpret behavior quickly. The mind forms impressions before reflection has time to catch up. But for some individuals, something happens in the moment after that first thought appears. A second voice quietly asks a question. Is this interpretation fair? Could there be more to the story? This moment creates an internal pause. Instead of allowing the first assumption to define the situation, they examine it gently. They notice how easy it would be to reduce someone's entire life to a single mistake. They recognize how tempting it is to feel superior when another person falls. But awareness interrupts that impulse. Because deep down they understand something important. Every person is capable of making decisions that later appear foolish. Every person has moments when they misjudge risks or trust the wrong opportunity or simply run out of emotional energy. Life places people in situations where clarity disappears. And when someone truly reflects on their own past, they begin to see how many times things could have gone differently. A small coincidence. A different conversation. A slightly altered circumstance. Those subtle shifts could have changed the outcome of many moments. This realization creates humility. It dissolves the illusion that success is always the result of perfect wisdom. Sometimes success simply means circumstances aligned at the right time. And when someone understands this, they begin to see others with softer eyes. They no longer assume that failure reveals a person's worth. They see it instead as a moment inside a much longer human story. The internal battle between judgment and empathy never fully disappears. But awareness changes how the mind responds. It creates space for understanding before conclusions are drawn. And in that quiet space, compassion slowly grows. At some point, people who avoid judging others often arrive at a deeper realization about life itself. They begin to see how unpredictable the world truly is. Success and failure often appear closer together than society likes to admit. Two people can make similar decisions and experience completely different outcomes. One encounter leads to opportunity. Another leads to loss. One risk transforms into achievement. Another collapses into disappointment. The difference is not always wisdom or character. Sometimes it is timing, circumstance, chance. When someone begins noticing these patterns, a quiet humility appears. It becomes difficult to feel superior to those who stumble. Because the line between standing and falling suddenly looks very thin. Life stops appearing like a ladder where people simply climb higher through effort and intelligence. It begins to look more like a landscape filled with shifting terrain. Some paths rise easily. Others crumble without warning. And every traveler is navigating conditions they cannot fully control. This understanding changes the emotional reaction to failure. Instead of asking what someone did wrong, the mind wonders what forces were shaping their choices. What pressures narrowed their options? What hopes guided their decisions before the outcome was visible? When someone sees life through this lens, failure begins to lose its moral weight. It becomes less about blame and more about the fragile unpredictability of human journeys. Compassion grows naturally in this space. Because recognizing life's uncertainty creates a sense of shared vulnerability. Every person walking through the world carries the possibility of missteps. And once someone truly accepts this reality, judgment begins to feel unnecessary. Understanding becomes enough. In some environments, compassion is mistaken for weakness. People sometimes believe that refusing to judge others means lowering standards or ignoring responsibility. But psychological maturity reveals a different truth. Choosing not to judge requires emotional strength. It requires the ability to hold complexity without rushing toward simple conclusions. Judgment is easy. It arrives instantly and demands very little reflection. Compassion requires patience. It asks the mind to consider perspectives beyond its own experience. It invites the imagination to explore lives that unfold differently from one's own. This capacity often develops in people who feel secure within themselves. When someone is deeply uncertain about their own worth, they may judge others more harshly because comparison creates temporary relief. Seeing another person fail can provide a brief illusion of superiority. But when a person's sense of self becomes more stable, that need begins to fade. The success or failure of others no longer threatens their identity. And once that pressure disappears, empathy becomes easier. The mind gains freedom to observe without competing. Compassion then transforms into a quiet form of emotional intelligence. It reflects the ability to see human behavior with nuance. To recognize that people are rarely defined by their worst moments. And to understand that growth often begins in places where mistakes once lived. In this way, compassion does not weaken accountability. It deepens understanding. It creates an environment where people can acknowledge their failures without being reduced to them. And sometimes that simple shift becomes the beginning of genuine change. The presence of someone who does not judge others quietly changes the atmosphere around them. It creates a subtle emotional safety that people often notice without fully understanding why. When individuals sense that their mistakes will not immediately be used against them, they become more honest about their struggles. They admit uncertainty. They acknowledge regrets. They speak about moments that once felt too embarrassing to share. This honesty allows something rare to happen. Growth. Because personal change rarely begins in environments filled with ridicule or condemnation. It begins where people feel safe enough to examine their own behavior. Non-judgmental individuals create this space without announcing it. Their reactions communicate something important. That human beings are allowed to be imperfect while still deserving respect. This attitude spreads quietly through social circles. Others begin mirroring the same patience. Conversations become less defensive. People feel less pressure to pretend they have everything under control. In this atmosphere, failure stops functioning as a permanent label. It becomes a temporary chapter. A moment that can be discussed, understood, and eventually transformed into experience. The ripple effect of this mindset often reaches further than anyone expects. A single compassionate reaction can alter the way someone views their own mistake. Instead of drowning in shame, they begin seeing the possibility of learning. Instead of hiding their struggle, they begin rebuilding. And sometimes the simple presence of someone who refuses to judge becomes the quiet support that helps another person stand again. When someone truly accepts the complexity of human lives, something gentle begins to emerge in their perspective. They see the world not as a contest between the successful and the failed, but as a vast collection of unfinished stories. Every person is moving through chapters that shift with time. A moment of triumph can fade into difficulty. A moment of failure can slowly evolve into wisdom. The lines between these experiences are never permanent. People who understand this stop dividing the world into simple categories of winners and losers. They recognize that every life contains moments of uncertainty. Moments where decisions feel unclear and outcomes remain invisible. In this awareness, judgment begins to dissolve. Because judging another person's failure starts to feel like judging a single page of a much longer book. A story cannot be understood by examining only one chapter. It must be seen in motion. With all its contradictions, risks, hopes, and quiet recoveries. When someone holds this perspective, they begin responding to failure with something softer than criticism. A quiet grace. The understanding that every person walking through life is navigating unknown terrain. And sometimes the most meaningful response to another person's fall is not analysis or blame, but simple human compassion. Because the truth hidden beneath many lives is this: no one moves through the world without stumbling at least once. And the measure of wisdom may not be how rarely someone falls, but how gently they see others when they do. If this reflection made you feel seen or stirred something quiet inside your own thoughts, you are not alone. Many people move through life carrying experiences that are rarely spoken about openly. Moments of failure. Moments of doubt. Moments where judgment from others felt heavier than the mistake itself. Spaces like this channel exist to explore those hidden corners of the human heart. If you would like to stay connected to reflections like this, you may consider subscribing and turning on notifications. Not as an obligation, but simply as a way to return whenever you need a quiet space to think and understand life a little more deeply. And if you feel comfortable sharing your thoughts in the comments, you are welcome to do so. Your words might help someone else realize they are not alone in their own story. But even if you choose to remain silent, that is perfectly okay. Sometimes reflection itself is enough. Take care of yourself. You deserve gentleness.